How to change team name on FPL. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily change your team name on Fantasy Premier League. So the first thing you're going to have to do is check your Fantasy Premier League account, open up your FPL, and then make sure you are on the Fantasy tab at the bottom. Then you can just tap on the team name at the top right here in order to try to add it to your team. And once you're on this section, as you can see here, you will be able to find your team name as well as your profile name. So if you scroll down a bit here, you can find different options. So just head over to the admin tab right at the bottom and then tap on team details. So if you want to change your team name, you can do it from here. If you don't see this option on your app, you could also use your browser. So make sure that you are logged into your browser. Go to the Pick Team tab, scroll down all the way until you find the admin option. Tap on team details, and from here, you should be able to change your team name right here. And once you've done that, you just tap on update details and your team name will be changed. So if I go back here, as you can see, the team name has been changed. So you can do the same thing on the app as well. Go ahead and go back. And if I just go back, the team name should be changed by now as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically change your team name on Fantasy Premier League. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.